Hello, my name is Vukile. In this tutorial, we're going to learn about inversions of triads that are found on 3 consecutive strings. Okay, using unisons and octaves to invert triads. So the first thing we're going to do, like many other times, is choose a key. So we're going to work in the key of C. So here is our key of C, and we're going to look at a major triad. There are about 16 triads, types of triads, and a major triad is one of them. So we have a major triad here, major triad. Now, let me explain something here. If you see things like, if you, in fact, let's look at the fretboard. Looking at the fretboard, you find this is the thinnest string, and then this becomes a little thicker, and then thicker, more thicker, and so on until we get to the fattest string here. Now, in a set of 3 strings like this would have more bass, this string here. If you are playing strings without fretting anything, so you find this would be more, you have more bass. So a triad that has a root on the thickest string is called a root triad, and a triad that has a root on the thinnest string is called the first inversion, and a triad that has a root on the middle string is called a second inversion. And if you invert the second inversion, you go back to the root triad. Okay, and here is the housekeeping kind of rules here. Here are the rules. If you want to invert this triad here, the notes on the, you take unisons on the notes on the first string and second string, and you take an octave of the note on the third string to create an inversion. And I'm assuming we're moving this way. We will do the same thing, moving backwards and get the rules. It's still kind of the same rule. You would have reversed the string. You would take an octave on the string here and unisons on these 2 strings. But let's carry on this one. You're going to take unisons of these 2 notes here. So to take a unison, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you get your G there. And to take a unison of this E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you get that. And then you take an octave of this one. To take an octave of this C here, you jump 1 string, which is this one here. You come to there. Then you count 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here is your triad. So this is your triad in the first inversion. Okay. Now you repeat what you've done here. You take a unison of this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you take a unison of this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you take an octave of this one. You jump this string and 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. So you have the second inversion of your chord right here, of your triad, sorry. Now if you go carry on inverting, this is the second inversion. If you try that inversion, you get this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have your E here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got your C here, and you take an octave of this one. You jump this string and 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the chord. So this chord here and that chord are an octave apart, because this is an octave. This C and this C, they're an octave apart. So these 2 triads, this one and this, are an octave apart. Okay, an octave apart. all notes on this one are octaves of all notes on this ones, on these ones here. So you may count on that, and you find if you take this triad and this triad, this note is C is an octave, but the other notes are not. They're unisons of these notes here. Okay, so if you take another octave, let's finish this one here. Take an octave here, 1, 2, 3, sorry, 3, 4, and you take a unison 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you take a unison 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here is your second. So this one here, this triad is an octave of this triad here. Okay. Let's see whether we can take some more here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, we can't take any more. So this is what you get on these first two strings. Okay, for a major triad. Now let's carry on with the second set of strings. The second set of strings, we are in the key of C, by the way. This one will see us kind of reversing a little bit. So our C is, where is our C on this one here? Now if you look at our C here, there's a C here. Sorry, a C here and a C here. So we're gonna start here. So let's create a third and sorry and we want a fifth, by the way, which is here. So it's 1, 3, 5. This is one thing that I forgot to explain to you, so that it becomes easy when you analyze this one. It's 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. That's the root position. Now let's apply the same rules. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because this is the second string. The third string, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this one we take an octave. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the spelling of this is 351. 351. 351. Okay. Let's do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we take an octave of this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the second inversion. So root position, first inversion, second inversion, and the spelling of this is 5, 1, 3. So we do the same thing. Take an octave here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's our G. Take a unison 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and take a unison of this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 6. So we have that there. And if you want to see what's on the back here, if you go towards this way, you go to the second inversion. So what you do, you take an octave of this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You come and get your G there, and then you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You put your C there, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you put your E there. Okay, because you're going in the reverse direction. Let's see whether we can. We can't get to the second inversion. We can. Let's count 1. We take an octave here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have an E here, and we take a unison 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's actually here. That's G, and the C is here. Okay, so that's our chord. So this is the root position, second inversion, and first inversion. Okay, for this string. So you can play these triads. It's quite interesting. You can play these major triads here, you can create a rhythm and play these ones. Let's explain a few things. So this one here is an octave apart from this, and this is an octave apart from this, and sorry, this one, there was a mistake on this one. Actually, it's supposed to be there. It's supposed to be like this. E. Sorry, I made a mistake there. So this is an octave from there. So that's our thing there. And yeah, sorry about that F there. That was. We can go to the next one, which is strings 3, 4, and 5. Strings 3 and 4, 5 will be strings 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. So we can actually look for a C on this one. There's a C right here on there, and we're going to the third, and then the fifth is actually out here, our G. What we can do, okay, that's our G out here. So let me leave that one for a bit, but we can actually, so here we go. Let me not worry about this one here for the time being. Let's go on. Uh, we can apply the same rule. Take an octave to here and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is our first inversion. Then we take an octave to here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's our second inversion. So the next one, we take an octave here and take a unison 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the unison 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's these two chords here. This one and this one, they are an octave apart. So if we do the same thing, we take an octave here, take a unison 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. So this is the first inversion chord, a triad, and then we do the same. Take a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there we go. We have our triads there. So this triad here is an octave from this one, and this triad is an octave from this one, and this triad an octave from this one. So we have all the three triads, three triads, three inversions, octaves of the three inversions. This is beautiful. Let's check out the last few strings, 4, 5, and 6. 4, 5, and 6. We know that our C is here, and our third is here, and our fifth is here. So this is the root position here. So we take a unison, an octave of this one, and take a unison 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take a unison 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do the same here. Slightly different. We go take an octave, take a unison 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. We do the same thing. Take an octave, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I don't think this one we're gonna, sorry, this one. I don't think we're gonna be able to create. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, we have we have successfully done that. Okay, so and if we go backwards, an octave, this one is right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are lucky. We are lucky. So the root position is here. This is the second inversion, first inversion, second inversion, root position, which on the octave, and then the first inversion. Okay, so this is how you create your inversions of your triads using octaves and unisons. Now this is applicable to all types of intervals, and you can apply this one to chords as well. It is I think it's very easy when you apply it on chords as well. You can get chords on the same string using this method. Okay, thank you very much. My name is Vakile. I'll meet you in the next tutorial. If you have any questions, please just write on the comments down below. Bye.